I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making almond joy fudge. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I'm going to a barbecue this weekend, and surely to no one's surprise, I'm going to bring candy. What to bring though? So many options. Well, I'll give you a little insider's tip. When I'm making candy for a big group of people, I'll almost always make fudge. It's about the easiest way to make a bunch of candy all at once. And looking in the pantry of the candy kitchen revealed that I had coconut and almonds, so here we are. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own almond joy fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, you'll need 540 grams of chocolate. I'm using dark, but use whatever you like. One 14-ounce can of condensed milk, 57 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 114 grams of coarsely chopped almonds, 85 grams of shredded coconut for the fudge, and 22 grams of shredded coconut as a topping. You'll also need an 8x8 pan, some parchment paper, a bowl, and a spoon or spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the 8x8 pan and set it aside. Combine the chocolate chips, condensed milk, and butter, and microwave it for 1 minute. Then give it a good stir. Repeat this until everything is melted and mixed. Feel free to be a little assertive with your mixing, otherwise the butter might separate out and we don't want that. Add the vanilla, salt, almonds, and 1 cup of the coconut, and give it another good mix. Pour the fudge into the prepared pan and even it out. Sprinkle the remaining 1/4 cup of coconut over the top of the fudge and press lightly to set it in the fudge. Put it in the fridge overnight, then cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. Sláinte mhath. Oh wow, holy cow. This is even better than I expected. If you saw last week's Keto Fudge episode, you saw me remark on how the peanuts from the crunchy peanut butter kind of distracted from the creaminess of the fudge. Interestingly enough, this fudge is just as creamy, but the coconut and almond textures don't get in the way at all. They actually add a nice variety. And the flavor, this really is like an almond joy bar, but with dark chocolate instead of milk, which to me really elevates it. This is definitely going on my favorites list. If you're looking for a simple way to bring a room full of smiles, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. I'm using, you'll need 500, wow. And microwave it for 1 minute. Okay, let's give it a try. Sláinte mhath. Nope. Okay, let's give it a try. Sláinte mhath. Dang it.